Hello, Dr. Ryan here, Calzaretto Chiropractic Center. Today we're going to discuss adjusting infants and babies. Now, the birthing process can be kind of traumatic when they're having the birthing process, so it's always good to have the baby checked to make sure they're in alignment. But chiropractic is also good for babies that are colicky, have constipation, congestion, renal infections, to name a few things. So today we're going to show how we adjust a baby or infant. And this is Paisley and her mother Nicole. So a lot of times, if the baby's really young, we're gonna have the mother lie down and put the baby on the mother's chest and stomach so they're more comfortable. Or if they're older, we can put the baby right down on the table. So we're gonna have Nicole get on the table. Hi, come here, Paisley. Hi. Oh, yeah. We'll start with first. We'll go face down first. Yeah, there you go. What we do is just check, make sure alignment, make sure he's moving good. Oh, you don't want to be down that way, huh? And we're very gentle. The adjustment we will use will either be just a little light, little push, very light with a couple of fingers, or we use an activated adjustment, which is adjusting the instrument that's high velocity, very low force. And basically just check the baby to see if there's any, they flinch at all, just run our fingers down the spine. There's a little flinch. You can use two fingers to just put a little pressure down on her. We check the hips, pelvis, make sure they're moving right. And everything's very gentle, very gentle. Just the instrument's all about the Zim activator. It makes a clicking noise, high velocity, really low force. And then we'll also check her neck. We're going to have you flip over. Oh, yes, you're doing great, Paisley. Yes, you are. And we just check for range. Good girl. Very good. And then just check the upper bones, because a lot of times when the baby's birthing and the doctors kind of pull a little bit, that can, oh, you're okay, yes. And if anything's out, just use a little pinky and just a little push. Very good. You did great. You made it. You did great. Wait for the camera. Wait for the camera. Good. And that's how we adjust infants and babies.